English knowledge and speaking practice in one lesson. Lesson 52. Means of recreation. Round 1. Test your knowledge. Comment the words by using the mic button on your keypad. Round 2. Build your knowledge. Comment the words by using the mic button on your keypad. Horse riding. Bowling. Kite flying. Climbing. Singing. Reading. Dancing. Drawing. Traveling. Fishing. Photography. Adventure sports. Listening music. Camping. Gardening. Swimming. Golf. Cycling. Indoor games. Video game. Amusement park. Circus. Cinema. Hill station. Television. Outdoor games. Zoo. Picnic spot. Round 3. Test your memory. Comment the words by using the mic button on your this video, repeatedly, up to understand well. If it is useful, please like this video, and share, to your interested friends. Please comment, your valuable feedback, and suggestions too.